As the winter months are fast approaching, we often get asked, how do we heat our campervan during those chilly nights? We will recommend the Webasto Diesel Night Heater. And here's a few questions that we often get asked. The Webasto Diesel Night Heater, for those that don't know, is a very discreet kind of heater. It will keep you warm during those chilly nights and is very, very easy to use. A lot of our customers ask, what are the benefits to the Webasto Night Heater? And here are a few of those benefits. 1, it's really easy to use. 2, it's really quiet. And 3, efficiency. It barely uses any diesel at all. A common question we get asked is, where is the Webasto Diesel Night Heater installed? We install ours underneath the driver's seat. Another common question we get asked is, how safe is this to use while sleeping? It is absolutely fine to use while sleeping, and because it's quiet, you don't even know it's on. The Webasto Diesel Night Heater is also connected directly to the fuel tank. The fuel it uses is very low and minimal, which means the consumption is tiny. It really is quite simple. I press this button here to turn it on. I can press it again to go into the setting modes. On this dashboard, I have several options. One of them is timer. I can adjust different timers, so while sleeping, it can go on and off when I prefer it to. To adjust the temperature, if I click that button again, I can use this turn style here. I can move to the temperature of my choice and then just click it in. It takes about 5 minutes to get to temperature. To turn it off is quite simple. The green light will show me that the panel is working and the heater is blowing out the air. To turn it off manually, I just need to push in that green button once, and the white light tells me it's now going into cool down mode. I would give it around about 5 minutes to completely shut off. A final question that we get asked quite regularly is, can a heater be installed by yourself? We highly recommend that you don't do this, and Webasto state that it should be installed by an authorised dealer, and we are one of those dealers. So if you'd like one of these heaters installed, give us a shout. Hopefully that's answered some of your questions today about the Webasto Diesel Night Heaters. If you have any questions, drop us a call on 02476 101 450. Look forward to hearing from you soon.